Well, we've been getting attacked by a bird. Apparently there's a nest right up in that tree somewhere. I can see it. She's right there, mama bird. I first walked by here my front door, and I thought I seen a bird. And I'm gonna slowly walk by here. Oh my gosh, she's right there. There she is. Whoa! It's coming right after me. Whoa, my goodness! I'm not gonna do anything to you. Come on! I'm not gonna mess with your nest. It's amazing how protective she is with her birds. Oh my goodness! Wow, that came right at me. She probably knows I'm videotaping her. Her nest is, oh, there she is. Look at that. She's right there on the fence. And she sees me. She knows where I'm at. She knows every move that I'm making. I'm walking this way away from the nest, and she knows. She's right there. I'm walking away. There she is. She knows. She's up in the tree now. Where is she at? She's right there. Well, now I gotta walk back to my front door because I want to go inside, and I don't know where she's at now. So, oh, there she is. She's in that tree, that crepe myrtle tree. She's already spotted me, so she knows I'm walking towards the front of the house, which is that tree right there. Okay, it's a maple tree. Well, the nest is beautifully designed right in the middle of that tree. She's right in that tree, and I've got to walk to that front door. So I don't want, oh my goodness, look at her. No, I'm not gonna mess with your eggs. Okay, but let me, I know. Oh my goodness, come on. Look at her. Whoa, she whiz. Okay, I'm out of here. Gosh. See ya.